Welcome to B-TEK Scales. In this video, we will demonstrate an eccentric load calibration. This will address the load cells and automatically set the coefficient values to dial in each of our sectional weights. When setting up a scale for the first time, you will want to see a code 09 before starting this process. If you see a code 01, troubleshoot the scale and try to find out which load cell is not connected properly. You can also perform this procedure after the scale has been set up. It will just re-correct the coefficient values for each of the cells. To start, press and hold the B-TEK button. It will turn red. Then we can enter the technician's password. We're going to scroll to the left to the scales page. Then we're going to press Metro. Next is scale configuration. The background is gray, meaning the scale is unsealed. If the background was red, we would need to unseal the scale first. Press Scale A to enter into the configurations. We'll then go to Calibration Procedures, and then Eccentric Load. First off, empty the scale and make sure all deck plates are installed. We'll then press the coefficient calculation button at the bottom left. We'll then tap Order by Side so that we can drive our cart down one side of the scale and then back up the other. The order will be 1, 3, 4, and 2. Dead load is highlighted, so with the scale empty, press the Calculate Coefficient. It'll then take readings. You'll notice the bar graphs are low, meaning our scale is stable. If we saw the bar graphs were very high, we would want to look into why there was so much vibration or motion on the scale. Next, cell number 1 is highlighted. So we will add load to load cell number 1. We'll then press Calculate Coefficients. After it's completed, load cell 3 will be highlighted. We'll pull our cart forward to cell 3 now. With the cart off and the scale stable, have the cart operator get off of the scale, then press Calculate Coefficients. When complete, cell number 4 is highlighted. Let's unload cell 3 and drive our cart to cell number 4. When the cart's in place, let's turn off the cart, have the scale operator get off of the test cart, and press Calculate Coefficients. Alright, number 4 is completed, number 2 is now highlighted. We will drive the test cart to cell number 2 right now. Okay, same procedure, test cart's turned off, operator gets off of the test cart, and we press Calculate Coefficients. Okay, after all cells are calibrated, it will say press key to calculate coefficients. So we press Calculate Coefficients. It then gives us the coefficient values off to the right. Normally you'll want your coefficient values to be within 0.005 of 1. So our range would be 0.995 on the low side, 1.005 for the high side. If your values are out of this range, you may have a mechanical issue or a failed load cell. You may need to check internal counts in the diagnostics section. If we're happy with our coefficients, let's press the confirm button. It will then save the coefficients into the card and also into the cells. To properly terminate, we press OK. And the next step will be to go to the zero and span calibration.